Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very nice move. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but even where the price ultimately closed compared to where it was, going into the day, I think everybody can agree that this here was a good solid move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at $1.20. Why is $1.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be, a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.20. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set down here. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $1.20. What about levels of resistance? If this move is going to fight upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds? As things stand right now, I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. But that's right up there at $1.32. That's where the party essentially stopped today. And the reason I'm just focusing on one level of resistance is, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not the top priority for the chart. Top priority right now, just go through some healthy consolidation, build some higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, though, nice day today. Now it just transitions into the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.